We're proud as a British watch company to be the timing partners to the England Rugby team in Twickenham, and as a result we've now launched the Bremont Rose. We've based this watch off the original C, but changed obviously a lot with that whole watch, and we want to take the subtle essences of what England Rugby is all about. The blue, the reds, the England Rose, and I think we've come up with something very classic but still very masculine.
It's quite nice working with materials like the blued hands, which are all done by temperature. And if you turn it over, you've got this beautifully finished movement with this, obviously the swing low rotor on the back. Finishing is beautiful, top execution with the chronometer rating involved.
So on this watch we have the triptych case with the hardened top bezel. All the cases made here near Henley-on-Thames, and we get the case to over 2,000 vicars in hardness.
Which is actually quite an interesting treatment. That's done in the UK as well. And basically, if you take a metal, you diffuse it with carbon, and then you can put various coatings on top, like chromium nitride. It can really, really strengthen that case.
I always recommend with any Bremont watch is, pick it up, hold it, put it on your wrist, feel that quality. I think with this England Rose watch, it really has come out beautifully.